Hey, Liquid Loves. I am so scared to come into this store. I did not know it was here. All right, let's go. And what's that? Y'all see the tent? I'm gonna go find out what that is, but not right now. Right now I'm going into Spirit Halloween. All right, let's go. Oh dear Lord, I'm scared. I forgot my handheld tripod too, so I'm holding you guys in my hand, so if a bit shaky, I'm sorry. Oh my God, I'm scared. My heart is already beating fast. Holy cow. Oh my God, okay. Oh, okay, let's go. It's dark in here. highly disappointed. Highly disappointed. No animatronics, no you know, the things that you step on, and none of that in there. I don't understand why not. I'm so tired of these people doing the Bronx wrong. Like, come on, man. It's crazy. Let me go see what this tent is over here. As a matter of fact, let's go into At Home. Because I know At Home got some stuff. Oh, ain't no more At Home. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, well. Look at the horse. I don't know if there's some type of circus or something. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I can't see any signs or anything yet. I don't know. Okay, it's the Flip Circus. That's what it is. It's a flip circus. So, with acrobats, motorcycles, contortionists, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's what it is. All right, guys, I'm off to go shopping. I just wanted to go into Spirit Halloween to see what they had, but they don't have anything, and I'm highly disappointed. So, if I come across another one, I don't know. It's a good chance that I might not, but I will film that if I do go to find them, because I'm not feeling the best these days, you know. I'm not. Right now I'm at Bay Plaza Mall, but all right, guys, talk to you later. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, liquid loves.